Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. This is Jason. Today we have the latest camera from Ubiquiti Unifi Protect series, which is the UVC-G5-PTZ. Alright, so let's do the unboxing and let's take a look at what's inside. Now, as for the specs, we have it listed here. You can see these are the main specs for the G5-PTZ. Right, so let's see the content and what's available inside. Okay, let me remove from the box. Okay, here. Okay, so from the box itself, we can see, all right, we have the camera itself, right? It's pretty much bigger than a standard tennis ball. You can see here, okay. And the PoE in here is coming in from here. This is using PoE plus, all right? Please do take note, this is using PoE plus, all right? Let me lay down the camera here, and over here we have the protection bracket, okay. The mounting. Some screws, all right, protection screws, and the main cover. Okay, for the main cover there are actually two parts to it. Okay, you can see here, and the leveler, okay, and the protection. All right, this is available across all of the camera series. Okay, so let's have a quick discussion on the mounting. Here you can see there is a IP protection here to protect the cables. And of course, prior to removal, okay, yes, please ensure that the rubber, okay, guarding is securely fastened to prevent water damage. Okay, as we know, there are no warranty claims for water damage. The lens is very well protected. As usual, please do take note, in order for this to work, you need the Unifi Protect in your system. Of course, it works best when you have a full suite of Unifi products. All right, so this is a very quick video on me unboxing the G5-PTZ. Of course, similarly, you're going to find a lot of additional accessories you can purchase to enhance the protection and coverage on the mounting, okay, especially on the covering of the mounting. All right, do keep a lookout for our other videos, and if you have any comments, please feel free to write it down on the remarks, and don't forget to like and share my channel. Thank you very much.